What's up, YouTube? So it's me again, guys, with another drone video. So this time I'm gonna fly right over that truck, guys. So if this will work, give hashtag English Kids to my comments, guys. And then before I start the video, I wanna say subscribe to my channel, guys, if you wanted to. So yeah, I'm gonna be flying the drone. So here's my drone. It's a Siemens 5SW, and a lot of you last time thought there's no more propellers, guys. There's no more there's no more protectors. I mean, cause look, so the company has removed it, guys, because it had broke. And yeah, I'm about to fly it right over the truck. Okay, guys, let's go. Okay, guys, I already connected the internet of Siemens. You remember it should look like this, case when you're connecting to the data, guys. It will show up as like that. And yeah, I'm about to fight right now. So yeah, guys, I'm about to fight. I already connected, so let's go, guys. Yeah, on we go. And oh yeah, let's fly right over the truck, guys. Comment hashtag if this will work, guys. So let's see. Oh yeah, you just go through. Oh god, the breeze is so strong right now, guys. Yo, I don't know you can hear me right now, but the breeze here is so strong right now. Oh no, it's about to hit the truck. Let me see if I can fight through the truck. Let me see if I can fight through the truck, guys. Let's see. Oh yeah, just fight through the truck. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Through the oh. God, guys. Really horrifying. That is the wind. The breeze is facing the north, guys. Facing the north. Yes, I can fly high, guys. Yes, I can do it. Oh yeah. Oh god. Oh god, the breeze is so strong. I cannot do higher, guys. Oh god. Don't wanna land my drone. God. No, 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 no. Guys, no. The breeze is so strong right now. It is so strong, the breeze, guys. Oh god. Hashtag if this will fly high, guys. Hashtag. Hashtag English Kids. Oh yeah, must avoid the side danger, guys. Yeah, I don't know if you can see anything in the sky. Oh god. Oh shit. Oh god. No, 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 no. I don't know if you can see anything, but I know you can see it right in the photo, guys. I cannot see. Oh god. The debris. God. Damn, guys. I just turned. Oh, it almost crashes to the grass, almost. Not that much. It just almost. Let's go on. Yes, I'm flying through. Yes, guys, I'm flying through. Yes, I'm flying through. Hashtag if this will work. The second fly high. Oh god, the breeze, not again, guys. The breeze. Not again, not again. Oh god. The wind is so wild right now. The wind is so wild, guys, that it cannot handle my drone. Oh yeah. No, 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 do not bring it. No, do not bring it somewhere. I don't want it to bring it in the grass. No. No, guys, bring it back to me. There you go, baby. Baby, bring it back to me. Bring it back to me. Yes. Going over the town right over there. Yes, yes. Yes. Going over through. Yes, I'm in the high altitude. Yes, guys. Yes, yes, the high altitude. Oh no, none of the trees. No, not the trees. Yes, I'm in the maximum altitude, guys. I must need full throttle, new full yaw, guys. The wind is so. Oh god, full yaw, guys. Oh god, not. Oh god. Yes, guys, it's back. Yes. Oh god. Yes, guys. Yes, guys, it's back. And I think it wants to land right now, guys. Yes. Okay, guys, I'm flying again. Oh god, oh god. There's someone. Oh god. Oh god. Whoa, 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 whoa. That's my uncle right over there. There. Whoa, 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 whoa. And the breeze is so strong. I'm back again. Back again. With another historical drone video. So I'm gonna fly, guys. Not in a truck, but somewhere, guys. Somewhere where there's a grassland. Try to head onto the grassland. Let's go up here. Let's go up right now, guys. Ooh, oh, what is that house, guys? Let me check what's inside the house. Let me check my drone. Must avoid. There's really a swimming pool, guys. Oh god. Oh god, it almost get into the house. Oh god. The breeze is... I do full throttle right now, guys. I do full throttle, guys. Which is crazy. I'm doing full throttle, guys. There's a gang of people. There's the officers, guys. Let me try to view them here. Oh god. Oh god. Not in the overhead power lines, guys. Let me try to fly them. Oh god, not in the hibiscus plant. Whoa. Well, let me try to just fly it like... Whoa, whoa, whoa. Let me go here, guys. Whoa, it's hitting the ground. Here, I found a grassland here, guys. I found a grassland here. And it's flat too over here, guys. This is Shara, guys, my drone. You don't know her yet. But she is my friend right now. I'm about to fight before it robots, guys. Are you ready for this, guys? Now in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Oh yeah, I'm in this debris right now, and look how... I think she wants to land right now. I think she wants to land, guys. I think she wants to land. You're crazy when it... Oh god, not in the pool. No, guys. No, let me just get my drone real quick. I know where did it land. It just landed right over there. I know where it did. But yeah, a lot of you guys see it, guys. So it just landed right over there. That was a big fail, guys. Oh my god, I'm wet. That was a big fail, guys. And it's okay for my drone, guys. So we're okay. We're okay. It's set off to fly in this grassland, so it's I can hold it like a paper plane. Okay, there we go. Try to fly it as high as possible. Okay, I don't want to lift it up in only in one area, guys. God, my baby. God, no, my baby, guys. No. No, not again, guys. Again. Failed again, guys. No, it's not yet blinking, but it's safe. Let me hold it again. Let me hold it again. Go on to maximum height altitude. Okay, I'm in the highest altitude, guys. I'm so afraid like to fly a drone during high altitudes. It will be so scary, guys. I'm not gonna fly, I'm gonna fly it low, guys. No, not again, guys. Failed again. Failed again. Just going to eucalyptus. No, not again, guys. Need to try that again. Okay, there we go. Try to lift it up just a bit. Not in the house, but let's say I can fly to the eucalyptus. No, 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 no. Ah, it's about to hit me. Oh God. Oh God, guys, this drone is so wild right now. Like, there's a fissure in the mountain nose. Okay, there you go, baby. I know you can see it right in the photo, guys. And we control it, guys. Okay, I'm back. Not again. Many times I just fell, guys. Many times I just fell. What the? Many times I just fell. Oh God, not in the pond. Oh, that's not too. I'm so scared to fly right at high altitude. That will make matters worse, guys. It's gonna land like that. Right in the grass, guys. Bad idea. Try it again one more time. Oh God. It's facing the direction. So, yeah, let me restart it again, guys. Make sure. Okay, I have restarted it, so I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I'm back. See me flight. It's a bit blinking right now, so let me try to on the transmitter again. What the heck is happening, guys? Yeah, I think it's dead battery right now. So yeah, guys. Yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, guys, please subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you soon for our next drone video. See ya.